Hi everyone, this is Surbi from Digification. Today we'll learn how we can upload customer list in Google Ads and then you can add that audience. Google can find some lookalike audience for you and you can improve your overall ads performance. Let's see this. So here I am on my Google Ads account. In Tools, Audience Manager, you have to go to Tools. In Shared Library, you'll see Audience Manager. You'll some pre-created audience here. Here you need to create one list and you'll find this option, customer list, upload a file manually, continue. You can add a name here. Let's say I'm adding customer list and you can upload email IDs, phone, etc. You can also download a template which Google would suggest that how your sheet should look like. We can see one example of the sheet here and you can see the sheet. So you could have these columns, first name, last name, email, phone, whatever data you have from these one you can upload. Here I'm uploading one list of email IDs. So I'm going to go here and here I've already created one sheet which has email IDs. So I'm only uploading email IDs for now. You can add multiple columns here. And here you click it, no expiration. If you want this to have a date, let's say maybe 365 days or something, you could. For now, I'm adding no expiration. So here we have uploaded and click on save and continue. Now here it is email. Fix and upload. So here you see I've added some email IDs and you could also see how many of them are corrected, like are in a correct format. So you can see that here. And the best is to you should have at least 1,000 matched customers to create a better audience. And once you create that audience, it'll populate here and then you can select it and you could add to your specific campaigns.